Hey there, welcome back to a reel series on 10 dysfunctions of product management. In this 10th and final episode, we are diving into the negotiating table. The negotiating table is a dysfunction that occurs when product leaders feel they have to give every stakeholder what they want in order to keep the internal teams happy. For instance, the CEO might have a pet product idea, sales might be pushing new features, engineering might insist on addressing technical debt, and customer support could be requesting bug fixes. Multiple inbound demands could trigger product leaders to take decisions to satisfy all internal stakeholders instead of prioritizing the best interest of customer or the product. Tata Neu is a perfect example for this. Tata Neu is a super app launched by Tata Group in April 2022. Tata Neu was designed to offer cross-category shopping experience for customers by giving access to Tata Group products like Tata Click and Westside for fashion and lifestyle, Chroma for electronics, Big Basket for groceries, AirAsia and Air India for travel, Tata MNMG for healthcare, and Qmin for food delivery, and so on. They invested over $2 billion on the app in the last 2 years and bought all the Tata's key new commerce businesses under new umbrella. But the app was a huge failure. Bloomberg said that Tata Neu will probably miss its sales target by 50% this year because customers weren't happy with the app at all. But why? It's because Tata Neu is crammed with too many categories in the quest to include all the Tata brands. And since it includes all the Tata brands, they also have to entertain demands from individual stakeholders of these brands into one app. The core features and service categories do not complement each other to offer a seamless user journey. For instance, if you book a flight through Make My Trip app, the app automatically shows you hotels in your destination. But Tata Neu does not automatically show you hotels in your destination, even though it offers both flight and hotel booking individually through its app. The Tata Neu app seems like it is optimized for brands rather than the customers themselves. One customer complained on Twitter saying, Tata Neu is the most complicated app to use, it's slow, and every transaction it's asking for login. Then what's for it's a super app if you go on login for each and every section. 1mg, Big Basket or Tata Play are much faster than Tata Neu. From Tata Neu's failure, we get a sense that their product team lost focus on customers in their quest to fit all incongruent requests from multiple stakeholders from other Tata brands. They ended up in the negotiating table situation where the organization misunderstands the chief purpose of product management, that is to do what's right for the user. It's not a job of a product leader to give everyone what they want. And in fact, true leadership requires making some unpopular decisions, like saying no to an unnecessary idea or a feature request. When product management prioritizes the right things for the customer, they help every team whether they realize it or not. That's it for this episode. With this, we complete our read series on 10 dysfunctions of product management. You can find them all in the guide section. Hit that follow button to stay updated. See you in the next read.